Okay, if you want to work the stove, first of all, you got to go outside and turn the propane tank on. And just remember, as soon as you're done using the stove, turn the propane tank off. The propane tank is probably the most dangerous thing on this RV, and you just don't want propane floating around in the air. So turn it off afterwards. You should also know that this RV has a carbon monoxide detector right here, and it also has a fire alarm right there, okay? And there's also a fire extinguisher. So if you're gonna work the stove, just know that those things exist, and all you have to do is take off these covers, okay? And there are 3 burners under here, okay? There are 3 burners, okay? And to start it, you just pick the burner you're gonna use, usually it's the center one, turn it to the flame right here, turn the dial to the flame, and then this is the igniter, turn the igniter on. If you're gonna use the stove, you should have the ventilator fan on, or you can always open the door just to make sure that you have plenty of airflow in here while you're using it to prevent carbon monoxide buildup.